Welcome back everyone. Thank you for joining us once again on another video. My name is Roland Williams and I'm the Sales and Solutions Engineer at RC Corner for both UAVs and RVs. Today's video we're going to take a quick glance at some of the interesting features about the Matrice 400, specifically what makes it so special and the flagship UAV for DJI. The Matrice 400 is the next generation and successor of the previous Matrice 350 RTK. Not only that, it boasts a significantly larger flight speed, a higher payload capacity, is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance systems such as the LiDAR and millimeter wave radar for avoiding all sorts of obstacles in your path, alongside enterprise-grade transmission systems, more specifically the O4 transmission system, and a modular expandability and AI integration into the whole flight system. We'll go through these point by point very shortly. Batteries and endurance. The Matrice 350 RTK previously used to use 2 batteries at a time to operate. The Matrice 400 completely changes this by being equipped with only 1 battery, enhancing the speed for hot swapping capabilities when you need it. That means you won't have to spend more time swapping out batteries in emergency situations, 1 battery in, 1 battery out. This gives you a total flight time of 59 minutes, substantially increased from the Matrice 350 RTK. Payload capacity. The Matrice 400 features up to 6 kilograms of payload weight that you can equip onto the Matrice 400. The Matrice 400 is capable of carrying up to 7 simultaneous payloads across the UAV thanks to its E-Port version 2, allowing you to connect everything you require for your requirements. Advanced obstacle scent avoidance. The built-in LiDAR, millimeter wave LiDAR radar sensor offers incredible obstacle avoidance and detection. From buildings, trees, all the way to power lines, you can fly safely without having to worry about them during your operations. Enterprise-grade transmission. Equipped with DJI's latest O4 transmission system, this gives you a range of approximately 40 kilometers beyond visual line of sight for critical operations, meaning range is no longer a concern for you. If you have to go to around 40 kilometers for your operations, you can easily do it thanks to DJI's O4 transmission system. Smart flight systems. The Matrice 400 is equipped with augmented reality implemented into your flight system. This means that you'll be able to have an AR projected path, route, and landing route displayed for your convenience to visually aid you with your flight path and flight routes should you require it.